Retribution. Meghan foam at mouth as gets just £1 in damages instead of £1.5 for her court win. The Duchess of Sussex will get just £1 and 36 cents from her High Court privacy win. The Guardian newspaper reported the figure Wednesday, 10 days after the Mail decided to forego further appeals and published a statement acknowledging that the American-born Duchess, formerly known as Meghan Markle, had won her lawsuit. The figure covers only the Duchess's claims for invasion of privacy. The Mail will pay another unspecified sum for infringement of copyright and lawyer fees, The Guardian reported, citing court documents. The Mail on Sunday's statement, which appeared December 26, said financial remedies have been agreed but provided no details. Meghan, 40, agreed to accept nominal damages from the Mail on Sunday. Mark Stevens said, "Normally for that kind of invasion of privacy you would expect £75,000 to £125,000. It does show that the curation of her reputation was an area where she had effectively invaded her own privacy." ANL has also agreed to pay a confidential sum in damages for copyright infringement. Furthermore, the Mail on Sunday faces covering part of the actress-turned-royal's legal costs, which could be more than £1 million. Last month, the newspaper was ruled to have invaded her privacy by publishing a 2018 letter the Duchess sent to her dad Thomas Markle. Associated newspapers will also pay a sum for infringing copyright and a large part of Meghan's £1.5 million costs. In March, the High Court ruled in her favour after she sued. The court was told Meghan's legal team was seeking more than £1.5 million in legal fees, with half the amount to be paid within 14 days, a sum the paper described as disproportionate. Warby agreed to make an interim costs order of £450,000, saying the final sum may well be considerably more than that after other outstanding issues were resolved at later hearings. Meghan's legal team also demanded the paper hands over any copies it has of the letter, and called for the judge to order the paper to publish a statement on its front page stating she had won her case, with a notice also placed on the Mail Online's homepage for not less than 6 months to act as a deterrent. The Court of Appeal then rejected a bid by Associated to have the verdict overturned. Meghan, wed to Prince Harry, was forced to apologize to the court for forgetting emails used to brief the authors of biography Finding Freedom. After a lower court rejected the Mail's arguments, the newspaper took the case to the Court of Appeal. In the appeals, Associated newspapers also argued that Meghan made private information public by cooperating with Omid Scobie and Carolyn Durand, authors of Finding Freedom, a sympathetic book about her and Harry. The Duchess lawyers had previously denied that she or Harry collaborated with the authors. But Knauf testified that he gave the writers information and discussed it with Harry and Meghan. The information provided a dramatic twist in the long-running case. In response, Meghan apologized for misleading the court about the extent of her cooperation with Durand and Scobie. The Duchess said she didn't remember the discussions with Knauf when she gave evidence earlier in the case, and had absolutely no wish or intention to mislead the defendant or the court. Meghan and Harry have attracted intense media scrutiny ever since the earliest days of their relationship, which linked the second son of Britain's Prince Charles with the US television star. In early 2020, the couple announced that they were quitting royal duties and moving to North America, citing what they said were the unbearable intrusions and racist attitudes of the British media. They have since settled in California with their 2 young children.